Hello, we are Team 6 of the Engineering Design Project class of Fall 2018 at San Francisco State University, and this is our automated turntable. Playing a record on a turntable requires precision and delicacy from the user, especially tasks like cleaning the record and positioning the tone arm. These tasks can be difficult to perform for people with physical disabilities. Our design allows the user to complete these tasks using simple buttons and switches. We put our design on paper, drew it up in SolidWorks, and began constructing it. Our design is made up of stained plywood, a platter, a tone arm, an Arduino board, several buttons, switches, motors, wires, 3D printed pieces, and many other parts. It also includes a vacuum unit with a hose, filters, and a potentiometer to control the suction. We can easily connect to the Arduino board via a USB cable in order to change any code if need be. To play a record, first turn on the right switch to spin the platter, then press the tone arm button. This will lift, turn, and carefully place the tone arm onto the edge of the record. The music will begin to play after a couple seconds. To stop the music, press the tone arm button again. This will lift the tone arm and move it back to its resting position. To clean the record, press the brush button. This will turn the brush and position it over the record for 10 seconds. While it is in this position, turn on the left switch to turn on the vacuum. This will suck up the dust that the brush collected from the record. Press the speed control button to change the speed of the platter depending on what record you intend to play. It alternates between 33.3 and 45 revolutions per minute. Press the record size button to set the turntable to different record sizes. The color of the LED shows what record size it is currently set to. There is also a strobe light that allows you to determine if the platter is rotating at the correct speed. The notches on the bottom row should look as if they are standing still. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found this project interesting.